Hi, I'm going to show you really quickly a simple way to use Canva for the things that you want to cut in Cricut. Cricut has a lot of things that are paid, and since you as a teacher have unlimited access to Canva, this is a way you can do things for free. So the first thing, I'm logged into Canva. I'm going to come up to Create, and I'll create a custom size. And then I'm using the dimensions of 12 by 12 inches. You can change the units here. I think it defaults to px, so you're going to change it in inches. And then create new design. The reason I chose 12 by 12 is because that's the size and the material that I'm going to be using in the Cricut. This is where you can get creative. Don't get crazy, because remember, all of the things that you create in here have to be cut out. And so I've just added a text box. I chose heading. And let's say that I want to do NWMS library where everyone is welcome. All right. Now I'm going to go to share. Oh, by the way, this is where you can go ahead and change your font by clicking on it. And here are all your different font options. I like this handwriting one. So let's do this one and make this a little bit larger. All right, let's say I'm happy with this. I'm going to come up here to share and then download. If you are doing something, let's say you want it to all stay together, use PNG for your file type. And then you must click the box that says transparent background. That's really important when you're using the Cricut. So I'll click on download. I get to save it. Let's just save this in my downloads. And now it's time to go to the Cricut. So here's my Cricut. Again, I'm already logged in. I'm ready to start. You could either click new project, or I know I want to do a blank canvas, so I'll click blank canvas. And I can upload what I just created. So I'm going to come down here to upload, click on that, upload image, browse. Here's what I just created, say open. All right, click on continue. You'll see the preview. Notice this checkerboard that's in the background. That's important. If you have a white background here, then you didn't click the no background when you downloaded from Canva. So you'll need to start over. So apply and continue. Simplest form is just to say single layer and continue again. I can save this if I'm going to upload now. And here it is. Now, this is really important to take a look at your ruler. So it's telling me here that this is 21 inches wide by 4 inches high. That is way too big for me. So I am going to make this smaller. Now it's going to fit. Using my ruler, it will fit on the size that I have for my material. Now I'm ready to click on make. I can save or not save, up to you. And you'll see these white lines. You see the ruler lines, but then you'll see the white lines. That's what the Cricut is actually going to cut. So I'm going to click on continue. You'll see that I have these things chosen on the left-hand side. I'm going to use a mat, and I've said what my material size is. And for something that I am going to use like vinyl for, or if it's just something I want to put up on my bulletin board, I am not going to mirror it. So you see mirror is turned off. I'll click continue. This is where I choose what kind of material I have. You can browse all materials. You're literally going to choose the material that you have for this project. If you browse, so I'll choose that. Your materials are already loaded. You'll go ahead and load the mat using this button on the Cricut, and then you'll press go right there on the Cricut, this play button, and it should begin cutting everything for you then. And that's it.